Are you looking for a free trial on ExpressVPN? Well, I'm here to show you exactly how to do it by hitting our link down below because we have that access. So let's get straight in. So guys, it's really easy. What you want to do is go onto the link down below. Okay, hit that link down below. It's going to take you to this site where you're going to get that free trial. Once you click on start trial today, okay, it's going to take you to the pricing. Now guys, I'm telling you, you can do this without having to pay a penny just to try it. So you're going to get 3 months for free on a 12-month contract at €6.43 a month by hitting that link down below. You don't get this on the normal website. This is only exclusive to only VPNs.net. But what I'm showing you is a top trick that you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, as you can see here. So what you want to do is sign up, use it, and if you don't like it, which I'm pretty sure you will, if you don't like it after 29 days, any point from 1 to 29, just simply cancel it and you will not be charged. It's a 30-day money back guarantee. You have your money back. You haven't paid a penny. If you love it, you carry on. You get this exclusive deal where you get an extra 3 months for free plus this deal. So guys, that's how easy it is. You just simply have to click this button. But please remember, you're only going to get that hitting that link down below. I've said it and I'll say it 100 more times. You only get this deal with the free access, with all the great plans that we have by hitting that link down below, guys. So get involved now. Let me know in the comments if you carried on after 29 days or if you thought it wasn't that good. Let me know. But hit that like button, hit subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'll see you next time.